Hey there friends, it is me, HLModTech, and I'm back with another episode of our tested series. I have added another wireless microphone to our kit. Let me show you how it works. Alrighty friends, so what we've got here is the Comica WS60. It has two wireless transmitters and a wireless receiver. They all run on AAA batteries, and they also run off power banks if you want more power. Inside you've got storage for all your cables, couple of wind filters, the magic cable that connects it all together, a sweet little table tripod, and then that table tripod has an adapter that you can add, because right now this is firm and it doesn't move. When you attach this one on, then it lets you adjust your camera and phone. I'm going to attach the receiver. Notice it just screws in, it's super simple. And then here is my favorite part of the whole system. You swing out these little handles and you can connect this right to your phone by simply loosening it and then dropping your phone in place. So you may have noticed I record with cell phones a lot. This part of the video I'm recording with my iPhone. The next part of the video I'll record with this sweet little tripod that lets us adjust and catch the audio just like this. So now that we've got this hooked up, let me show you how easy it is to connect. This little one has a picture of your cell phone, so that's where you plug it in. And then you've got an output button that you plug into. On the other side is your power button. You can simply just hold it in to power it in. These run on AAA batteries. You can see here I have no batteries in. Check this out. This is one of my favorite parts. Alrighty friends, so here we got a little bit of shack fu going on. I've got this power brick using USB-C to power both of these devices. You can see that it's connected and we are doing the audio through the microphone. The audio is crisp and clear, and it's so cool because I've got that camera angle and I've got this camera angle, so I'll be able to drop those into the video and you'll be able to see how it looks on both. And I'm just so amazed with how easily it all comes together and how slick it is. I can wirelessly take this all about. I love being able to power it with a power brick instead of the AAA batteries, just because I don't like burning through AAA batteries. I don't use them a lot. I've got a second power brick, but I cannot find it, or I would be moving them out even further with this sweet wireless technology. So my friends, if you found the video useful, please hit a like button. If you've got a question, comment, or a suggestion, add it down below. I will put a link to the product in the description if you are looking for it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscription button. And last but not least, hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.